Hi there, it's Kyle Ryland here at Regina Honda. Here is a 2021 Honda CR-V Black Edition. Check it out. Got blacked out wheels, blacked out trim, blacked out chrome around the edging. Come to the back, you'll even notice the back is all very nicely done for the Black Edition. A little darker chrome piece, very sharp. Dual exhaust. So this trim is above the Touring, giving you a little extra with all of its blacked out looks. You'll have a remote touchless tailgate, which you can easily just put your foot underneath and kick it when the vehicle's not running. You got the lowest loading surface, the widest as well, and the biggest opening. This is also programmable. You can set it up to where you'd like. It's just a simple hold of a button. And now it's always going to be at that position until you reset it again. It goes quite high. Just like that. Coming into the back here, you'll notice that there's a DEFA block heater cord there. That's your new style of block heater cord, which goes around to the front of the vehicle. Easy access handles to drop the seats on both sides. Just like that. Folds down nice and flat. And if you don't like the floor at this level, no problem. Got a little tab. And there we go. Perfectly flat. When you want to close this thing, push the button. Coming along to the back here. The side here, you'll see that the CR-V's Black Edition continues alongside the door trim. Very sharp heated seats for your passengers in the back. This guy here is also equipped with all rubber floor mats. Some fast chargers there to keep your company charged on their phone. And the Black Edition also has a full panoramic sunroof. It's beautiful. You can see that interior, really nice. The black trim pieces that are all along the front. Let's go check it out from the passenger side. Coming into this side, right away you'll notice the beautiful Black Edition stitching. It's a perforated leather. Formats, a little closer look of some of that trim that goes on here. Your idle on and off. You get a bigger screen as well. You get wireless phone charging. This is the stock number if you're interested. Come check it out. Over here is a multi-storage center console. So you can lift it up, that down. Now what that works really good for there, guys and gals, is what I've seen, purses. Purses fit there perfectly. All right, let's come around the front. Little smoked out LED lights, which look really nice. Going on to the front of the vehicle, it's got the LED headlights, LED fog lights, that beautiful black chrome trim that goes around the front of the vehicle, giving this thing a beautiful stance. If you're interested in this vehicle, give me a call, give me a text. 1-639-560-3393. And don't miss your opportunity out on this amazing 2021 Honda CR-V Black Edition with only 5,934 kilometers on it. She's basically brand new, folks. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Call us today at Regina Honda. Give me a call, give me a text. 1306-525-1555 is the store number, or my text again is 1-639-560-3393. Thank you.